Hello, my name is Joel. I have a floodlight here that I would like to show you. This floodlight has 8 different lights on it. It has lots of different options for colors. These lights are LED lights. So with your 8, you got 2 rows of 4, which you'll see changes, makes it a real good scene for the lights to hit very, very well. Very easy to control with the remote control that they give you. All you need is 2 AA batteries to put in there. The back of the remote control slides off like most do, but this one's very slick and comes on and off real nice. All you have to do is hit the on button right there and it turns on. Lots of different colors for you to choose from. So you can go crazy with it. Lots of different things. They say that this has a 5-year warranty, so make sure that you're aware of that. If you are purchasing something like this, you have 5 years to make sure that it works well and in your favor.